Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Kembali lagi di Yunileisure Channel di acara icip-icip internasional hari ini ya. Dan edisi apa coba? Coba lihat dari saya. Banyak banget balon-balon di sini. Udah ditiup-tiup dalas nih balon-balonnya di sini nih. Seneng banget ya niup-niup balonnya nih. Nih. Jadi pemirsa, hari ini hari ulang tahunnya Dai dan Bray. Harusnya hari ini tuh kami merayakannya di restoran kan, udah di booking 1 bulan yang lalu ya dari abangnya Edisi. Tapi karena nggak bisa, kami berpuasa ya. Terus udah gitu Braynya udah nggak bisa lagi jalan jauh, jadi nggak bisa keluar walaupun padahal deket banget di sini, jadi nggak bisa sama sekali. Jadi dari 1 bulan itu ke sekarang itu cepet banget, drastis banget. Jadi nggak kepikir kan sebegitu cepatnya ya kondisinya. Jadi akhirnya dibatalkan ngadain ulang tahunnya di rumah kami. Saya dan Ricci puasa yang pasti ya. Kalau Dallas nggak puasa karena mau ulang tahun ini ya. Pokoknya masak-masak yang ada aja, yang ada bahan tersedia aja. Karena di sini itu kalau yang ulang tahun yang 90, 50, 60, 40 itu ulang tahun yang besar bagi orang-orang di sini ya. Apalagi yang 90 udah angkanya besar banget gitu. Jadi harus dirayain. Terus abangnya Ricci juga masih sedih kan dengan ibunya kan. Jadi dia mau merayakan ulang tahun ibunya juga sekalian dengan Bray. Jadi temanya hari ini ulang tahun ya, puasa ulang tahun. Bikin kue ulang tahun dadakan juga. Ini adalah kue lemon cake karena kue kesukaan Dai dan Bray, dan setiap tahun kalau mereka ulang tahun saya selalu membuatkan lemon cake ini. Tahun ini rencananya saya hanya bikin lemon cake yang simple saja seperti tahun sebelumnya, tapi entah kenapa Ricci tiba-tiba bilang bikin kue ulang tahun yang ada di pantai. Bray dan Dai lagi duduk seperti yang saya pernah bikin. Padahal saya tidak pernah sama sekali membuat kue ulang tahun. Dai dan Bray lagi duduk di pantai menikmati matahari seperti mereka liburan, di depannya ada laut. Kata Ricci, Dai sangat suka sekali waktu itu saya bikin kue seperti itu, padahal saya dan Dallas sama sekali tidak pernah membuat kue seperti ini dan tidak pernah terbayangkan. Akhirnya saya buat apa yang sesuai dengan imajinasinya dan pikirannya. Ulang tahun Dai dan Bray yang ke-90, dan alhamdulillah Braynya masih bisa merasakan yang ke-90 ya. Jadi hari ini juga saya kasih harga spesial untuk skincare seperti biasa. Ini ada face wash, toner, red gel, dye cream, dan lip serum. So,
90.000
ya, rupiah, oke? Kata
Ya.
adalah 90.000 rupiah ini harganya. Jadi kalau dalam kasih harga tuh selalu bagus-bagus ya pemirsa. Jadi kalau beli paket harganya 450.000, free ongkir dan juga free pouch ini ya. Ayo bagi pemirsa yang mau silakan. Ini harga spesial. Jadi kalau mau beli satuan harganya 90.000. Kalau yang langsung WhatsApp saya, nomor WhatsApp saya ada di deskripsi box. Kalau yang mau cepet langsung aja order lewat saya, tinggal tulis mau order apa saja. Kalau udah pernah order lewat saya nggak perlu lagi tulis alamat karena sudah terrecord. Kalau yang belum pernah order sama sekali, tinggal tulis nama, alamat, dan nomor HP pengiriman serta mau beli apa aja. Nanti langsung saya rekap. Pokoknya pengiriman kalau lewat WA langsung cepat ya, cepat. Kalau beli di marketplace ya tergantung dari marketplace-nya itu sendiri yang kirim barangnya ya. Spesial banget. Jadi spesial hari ini 90.000 semuanya. Nah, hari ini udah puasa keberapa pemirsa kira-kira? Sebelum saya masak-masak kita cek dulu Dallas mengecek puasa keberapa hari ini, oke?
Hi guys, it's day 7 of Ramadan. Okay. Okay. And now what it is? Skittles. And this. And eat of what Allah has provided for you, which is lawful and good, and fear Allah, in whom you are believers. Surah Al-Ma'idah 88. Okay, that's day 7. I'll see you on day 8. Bye. Hi guys, day 8 of Ramadan. Okay. Yeah, I knew that. Look. Okay, we have pistachios, and this is the nib. This is day 8 too. This is long. Whatever Allah grants to people of mercy, none can withhold it, and whatever He withholds, no one can release it thereafter. And He is the exalted in might, the wise. Surah Fatir 2. And also, when I threw number 8, it actually landed very close. It landed on the table where I was supposed to put it. If you turn the camera around right now, it actually landed. I threw it from all the way at the top of the stairs. I'm excited for day 9. So I'll see you on day 9 tomorrow.
Jadi nggak bisa fine dining di restoran, terpaksa fine diningnya di rumah saja pemirsa. Jadi Branya itu maunya saya masak di rumah saja karena Bra itu sekarang porsi makannya udah sedikit-sedikit banget ya. Starter, main course dan dessertnya. Yang pasti kue ulang tahun saya bikin tuh dessertnya. Oke, sambil berpuasa ya saya masak-masaknya, pokoknya pakai naluri aja. Apa yang mau dibuat dan rasanya bagaimana, semoga aja mereka suka. Untuk menu starternya saya membuat pangsit yang diisi dengan telur puyuh dan juga bihun. Bihun ini adalah kesukaan Dai dan dengan potongan yang kecil-kecil dan tidak memanjang seperti bihun normalnya.
Thank you ever so much for doing today.
Have you seen that?
None of it. That's brilliant, that is.
They go holiday.
Oh, definitely. Oh, let's have the picture. That's brilliant, that is.
Not just
It's very nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Do you do what they do in restaurants and take the fancy plates away and then bring it on a normal? Cheers. Cheers. Happy birthday, Brian.
Yeah, happy birthday, Brian.
Are you not sitting at a table?
Probably can't get off the chair.
It's a shame to put it in.
This
That one's not. Okay. There you go, Don. Yours is non-spicy. Okay. Okay. And not sure. Can you eat the flowers or are they there just for the decoration?
Edible.
Everything's edible.
That's nice. That looks beautiful.
This is rice noodle. This is Dai favorite dish.
Okay.
Oh yeah,
Seriously,
yeah, she used to like that.
Every time if I cook, what he said, Yuni, can you make me rice noodle? Since he passed away, I never make again. Now he's birthday.
Now you're
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Remember, right? She always wanted rice
That's
noodle.
right, she liked
that
the,
she likes so much.
The thingy ball, didn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, do you need a hand with the...
No, I
Okay, sure, yeah.
You just sit down.
Oh.
It's very nice.
What's in there? Is that mince? Is it chicken ball or
Yeah,
fish?
chicken
It's a
inside
one.
and
Okay.
quail egg inside.
Okay. You can have chicken or fish. I like it when it's fish. You know, in the little ball, what it's called.
Pangsit.
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 Yes,
Pangsit.
and like that.
This is pangsit. Okay.
What else is inside? I can only see grilled egg.
Yes,
Yeah,
and
and
then
chicken.
chicken.
Maybe the chicken's spicy, maybe you haven't got the chicken with yours.
Oh.
There we go, yeah, okay. So you have got some chicken here.
Everything all right?
Absolutely gorgeous.
So far so good.
Really nice.
Don't worry, if not nice, I'm not continue to main course. Just stop it, yeah.
What's
Hang on, this is the main course, isn't it?
well, have you done the chicken with and rice in the leaf? Or
Oh,
just the
secret.
chicken? Oh, it's a secret, right.
Untuk menu utamanya saya membuat sambal dan juga nasi bakar ayam. Nah, nasinya saya masak bersamaan dengan ayam sampai benar-benar meresap dan menyerap dengan nasinya, karena ini lebih enak dibandingkan dipisah. Dan untuk garnisnya saya menggunakan rice paper atau kertas nasi yang dibuat seperti bunga. Sudah deh jadi seperti ini. Karena sekarang adalah musim semi, jadi tema makanan hari ini adalah tentang bunga, di mana Dai juga suka bunga. Jadi deh nasi bakar yang dihias dengan bunga.
Thank you.
Done? Got it?
This is nice.
That's spicy.
Ooh, cucumber.
Okay.
Can you explain what it is?
Yeah, this is nasi bakar. Don't eat the leaf because there is banana leaf.
What can't you eat the leaf? Is that no good for you?
Eat it, Chris.
It's not edible.
Yeah.
How is it not?
No,
Was it poison?
No,
sir.
that is for make a flavor.
Yeah, it's not nice.
Yes.
Trust me, it's
It's
not
a
nice.
bitter.
It's like eating a piece of
Yeah,
cardboard.
that is good for flavor.
It
Because
doesn't-
nice smell, yeah.
So it doesn't taste like banana?
No.
No.
So today is the theme of the food is about flower. It's because it's spring. So and then your mom is like flower.
Thank
What was,
you.
is that the spicy bit on the...
No, it's not spicy. This is handmade sambal we call.
It's, yeah, so
Is the sambal spicy?
No, sambal not spicy.
So really,
Yeah.
everything is
Everything edible. Yeah, except the banana one, banana leaf one.
But I say you can eat it.
You can't eat it, but yeah.
yeah, you can if you want to. You wouldn't want to, it's not.
Everything alright? What were you thinking?
I always tried the banana.
I tried the banana.
Oh, what's the taste?
He doesn't like it.
It's not the flavour, it's texture.
Yeah, it's so hot.
Hard.
Yes,
It's like eating cardboard to me.
Yeah.
that's right. Yeah, I've never tried
What's the flour? Is that rice cake?
rice pepper.
A rice paper.
You need this nice.
Which one?
Very
Yes,
nice, eh?
fresh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That is a baby cucumber with the sambal. Yeah.
Anyway, so how is it nice? Is it nice? Is it nice and flavoursome? Is it spicy enough?
Yeah.
I've got no spice.
Oh, spicy.
No, no spicy.
Yeah, do the job
I'm
properly.
worried if I put too much spicy because my spicy is spicy.
Imagine you're doing it for like your family. Should have done it that spicy.
No way, seriously.
This is really nice. This is perfect
Oh,
spice.
maybe.
The chilli, it's called a certain number, isn't it? You get so many million.
Oh yeah.
A Scoville unit.
That's it.
Jalan.
They go by so many million of them.
Okay.
Well done, Thomas.
Okay. Excellent. Well done now. We didn't know that, but you did. How did you know that? We didn't.
Watch it off the TV.
Oh right. Okay.
Everything alright? So
Okay.
quiet.
Your desert's very nice, isn't it?
So, told you to make some space for the desert.
Yeah. Nah, begitulah pemirsa, udah selesai acaranya ya. Sekarang sudah jam 4, orang-orang udah pada pulang. Dan ini juga tidak dipotong karena tadi makan potong kue yang ada sisa dari ininya. Jadi yang nggak dihias nih nggak dipotong, nanti bawa di kantor, buat ke kantor aja. Kalau yang ada dye bray dan ada tulisan 90 dan sebagainya itu udah dibawa dari Bray karena dia mau orang-orangan itu untuk mengingatkan dia ingin liburan tapi nggak bisa, jadi liburannya begini aja.
Hi guys, it's the 9th day of what do you call it? Ramadan. Where's this note? Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. And most people, although you strive for it, are not believers. Surah Yusuf 103. We are approaching to day number 10, and on day number 10, I'm at the top of this flight of stairs. And then we go round here. Okay. And then we have another flight of stairs up there. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you on day number 10. Bye.